Online businesses can reach a global audience. With the internet, an online business has the potential to reach customers from all around the world, expanding their customer base and potentially increasing revenue. Low overhead costs. Online businesses typically have lower overhead costs compared to traditional brick-and-mortar businesses. They can operate from a home office, eliminating the need for rent, utilities, and other costs associated with physical storefronts. E-commerce is booming. Online sales have been growing exponentially in recent years, and the trend is expected to continue. In 2021, global e-commerce sales are projected to reach over $4.8 trillion. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter provide online businesses with a cost-effective way to reach their target audience. They can use these platforms to advertise, interact with customers, and build their brand. Online businesses can be run by a single person. With the rise of automation tools and outsourcing services, one person can run a successful online business without the need for a large team. Online businesses can be flexible. Online businesses can be run from anywhere with an internet connection, providing flexibility for business owners who want to work from home or travel while running their business. Online businesses can have a low barrier to entry. Starting an online business can be relatively easy and inexpensive compared to starting a traditional business. Many online businesses can be started with just a laptop and an internet connection. Online businesses can use data to make informed decisions. Online businesses can collect and analyze data on customer behavior, website traffic, and sales, allowing them to make informed decisions on marketing strategies and product offerings. Online businesses can offer personalized customer experiences. With the use of data and automation tools, online businesses can offer personalized experiences to their customers, including personalized product recommendations and targeted marketing campaigns. Online businesses can scale quickly. Online businesses can scale quickly by leveraging technology, automation, and outsourcing services to handle increased demand. This allows them to expand their customer base and increase revenue without the need for a large physical presence.